Hey guys, but it's my birthday in 2000. This is my birthday. I was in February 9. So today is gonna make love sounds, but it's not Valentine's Day at all. But I just did making love sounds for e-cards. So let's get to it. Even though the
This is called bubble wrap.
Okay, it doesn't look like all. Let's try.
Your eyes are like.
If it looks like,
and I'm stuck in them.
Hey.
That's your ticket to Big It's the best I have.
This is like why there's a rabbit here and the walrus. They don't dance.
They're like, I love you.
Oh look. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, look, she's just cute. And this is hoops is not my Valentine's Day. Petals! She's cute. Even I like it, but I still like it. Oh, look cute.
Like that?
She's cute. Well, let's try again. Dude, what do you say? I just try to say that. Yeah. Dude, it was still like Halloween, but I don't like this.
I'm in love with.
Even I say I don't like Valentine's Day because it's not good.
Like that?
Yeah.
Come here, you little monkey! You're my little monkey!
Yes.
I love you! I love you!
Yeah. But thanks for watching, guys.